So this is Mumbai monsoon and the plight of the dabbawalas in the rains. It's a amazing thing. Dada, Hari Om. These are the dabbawalas at Bandar station, and they make sure that the tiffin comes on time. These are the dabbawalas at Bandar station, and they make sure that your tiffin comes on time. They will be hungry, but they will not keep you hungry. This is the beauty of the dabbawalas in the rains. See this. This is the dabbawalas in the rains.